Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make a watermelon bookmarker. Enjoy the video. To make this, you need scissors, thread and needle, green, red and white felt, paper and pencil. Draw a cut watermelon shape. Okay, take this and take green felt fabric, pin and cut. Okay, like that. Okay, here remove pins. Put this aside. Okay, fold here and cut. This part put on green and cut. This part put on white, pin and cut. Take this part and pin on red and cut. Here are your pieces. Remove pins. Put this aside. Take this one and take black thread and do this. So like this. We are making seeds, so do that as many times as you can. Take your white thread and sew here. Okay, it's done. So now take this part, put here, so take this and put here, so here up to here, this way. Okay, it's done. It's looking very nice. This is a watermelon. Looks like a piece of watermelon. So you can use this as a notebook marker or any book like that. Thank you for watching. Nita Kurete Arigato. Bye.